In this video, I will show you how to use AI Beats. This feature will edit a short video for you using AI. Click on AI Beats in the home page.
Slow down, grab the wall, wiggle.
Choose the music that will fit your video. Let's play a few songs and see how it is. I like the last one. I will choose that. Now import at least 13 short video clips. Once you are done with that, click on Next and then click on Generate. This will take a few minutes to complete. Let's play and see how it looks. As you can see, the AI is able to edit the video and make it sync with the music. This is the easiest way to edit a video for Reels or Shorts using Filmora.